Hey, Coach Derek here from Kikfit Training, and today I want to show you a fun way to get a quick cardio, flexibility, and core workout in less than 2 minutes with only 2 exercises. So here's how you do it. You want to get into your fighting posture, workout posture, and with the rear leg straight, stiff, you're going to swing that leg up nice and high as you can. From the side position, I'm going to tuck my chin down and swing this arm up to counterbalance the weight like this. And as I get more confident, I'm going to swing higher and higher until I get 20 reps on this leg. Once I'm done, I switch sides, start on this leg, and work my way up to whatever flexibility level that I have for 20 reps. Once I finish, immediately go into a uppercut boxing, single time, double time, and then quickly into triple time, pulling it toward me as fast as I can while I bend forward to engage my abs. I'm punching as high as I can in a circle toward me. I want to go for 60 seconds. As fast as I can, control it. You'll feel your abs engage and certainly your cardio engage. Make sure that you have a clock somewhere that you can watch so you have the full 60 seconds. And once you're done, that is one set. And that is a great beginner. As you get more advanced, you can add more sets, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets, until you have a total of 30 minutes that you're exercising for to get an intense cardio and total body workout. But in the beginning, I suggest starting with just one set so that you have 2 minutes to get 3 areas: cardio, flexibility, and core workout, so that you can continue to pursue on becoming your own gym anywhere, anytime. I'm Coach Derek from Kikfit, and that's my tip of the day.